Today we're getting into another Amazon wig find for beginners, and this is another Amazon wig with bangs. I'm so excited to get into it because this wig has a lot of special perks, and I'm going to show you guys how to style and customize it yourself. The info to this wig and all the products that I'm going to show you guys on how to restore a wig and restyle it will be in the description of this video and in the comment section. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, first off, I want to give you the information about this wig because it's definitely not your typical synthetic wig in my opinion. This wig is a textured wig, so it has like a textured feel to the hair, which I really like. Those textured wigs in my opinion seem to last longer than like a silky synthetic wig, so I am definitely loving that. So this wig does come with 3 combs and it comes with curtain bangs as well. It did take a little bit of work for me to style it, but honestly not too much, and I would still categorize it as beginner friendly. So the first thing I did is go ahead and start pulling some of those curls apart, and my main focus was the bangs area, you guys, because if a wig has bangs and the bangs aren't laying right to where I feel comfortable, I feel like it really makes or breaks the wig. So I started by separating the curls. I twirled the curls around my finger, and then I did use a product. I used some anti-frizz mousse that I've been using a lot. It's available on Amazon, and it has been working great to help me restore and restyle my synthetic wigs, curly and straight. So I definitely recommend it. It'll be in the description and comment section down below, but it has been working great. It doesn't have a sticky residue, and it really helped me get the curls together on this wig. So after I applied that mousse, I did take a brush and just brush some of the curls through with the mousse. I didn't brush it out, but I kind of like recurled it with the brush, and here is the final look. Okay, you guys, I am done styling this wig. This wig is so popular, you guys, okay? I had to give it a try, you guys, and I'm so excited to tell you guys about my experience. And this is the Sensational Dashley Unit 20 wig. So this is in the color 2, and this wig is supposed to come with a 5-inch deep parting area. It's also supposed to have textured curls, so it's really giving like a light kinky texture, and I love that.